My garage door here at the apartment opens by itself, which leads me to believe that all of these garage doors are on the same circuit or same frequency. Um, so I have it blocked now to where it won't open at all right now. But before that, I only had it blocked to where it could open up, just enough for someone to get in here if they really wanted to. And I think someone did because there's only two things I can see that I'm missing so far, which are really weird. I'm missing an LED underglow and interior kit, a cheap one that I bought, and I'm missing my Meguiar's polisher compound. And they used to be right over here. Like the Meguiar's was like somewhere over here-ish. And then this was the LED kit. As you can see, it's currently empty. And they were kind of all in this box. And that box is empty too. I think that box is always empty though. But they're gone. I don't see why someone would only steal that when there's full nitrous kit, nitrous parts. There's a welder, some of my guns over there. I don't see why you would pass up on all of this stuff and just go for an LED kit. Hell, my lower control arms are right here. Those have been there for a while. These have been here for a while. Actually, no, I just got that part in. But was there anything over here? I don't remember. But on that side then, I mean, there's just so many other things someone could have taken. I've got headlights, more stereo parts over here. This box that I don't even know what's in this. I think this would. Oh no, don't want to ruin that. I got this, rotors, hell, my jack, other random little bits right here. Yeah, I just don't know why someone would do that. I definitely didn't move them or put them anywhere. So now I'm just kind of going through all these parts to see if I'm missing anything, because I don't even remember what I have here anymore, honestly. It's just so much stuff. It's weird. Very weird. At least all the nitrous stuff is still here, because I was going to install that here pretty soon, finally. I got that all together now. But yeah, it's like, why would you not take literally anything else? I don't know. Very weird. Very weird indeed. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna figure this out. So, next day, going through some of the stuff again, and guys, it looks like all they took was the LED kit and then my Meguiar's polish. I'm going through everything, and all my nitrous stuff I put into a corner. I'm buying shelves here pretty soon to get all of this kind of organized, but all my nitrous stuff is there. Turbo stuff is kind of all in there. And then all of my other just kind of random stuff that I have. I can't see that anything's missing. Hell, they could have took all my gauges I use for work and, made money off of that. I mean, or, these alone, my stock headlights, these Rockville 6x9s, I think they are. I don't know what they are, I don't remember. They could have taken that. I mean, I don't know. It's, and here's my charge speed stuff. Oh my god, I keep dropping this. This is pissing me off. My charge speed parts in there, some brake stuff for my big brake kit. I mean, they could have taken a lot, and they didn't. So I don't know. I know for damn sure I didn't move those LEDs because I left them in the box. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's weird. I mean, I'm glad they didn't take anything else, because those LEDs, I mean, those were like $30. Those is a real cheap kit. So at least I'm glad they didn't take that, but still, like, it's weird. It's weird. I mean, hell, even the Emusa lower control arms, they could have taken these and made a couple $100 on those. Like, I don't know. I mean, it sucks. It still sucks because, you know, obviously someone was in here. But I don't know. I guess I will just be happy that they didn't take anything of importance because, I mean, hell, just the nitrous stuff alone, just right there, that's shit. That's probably at least almost $2,000 worth of stuff right there in just nitrous stuff. So yeah, I don't know. But so I have to go to the store now to buy more Meguiar's polish so I can finally get this thing cleaned. So I'm gonna go do that. And I'll just come back to you guys tomorrow because that was kind of my plan, was to start cleaning this up, kind of get the motivation back going to working on this car, get the wrap on. I was going to do the LEDs finally. I guess it's my fault. I had those things sitting there for like, you know, or I've had that LED kit for over a year, so I guess it's kind of my fault for slacking on installing it. So I'm going to buy another one of those and give me some new motivation to start working on this thing. I know I will too, especially when my wheels come in. I have no idea when I'll get those. I'm already a little over 5 months waiting for my raise and still nothing, so yeah. But we'll get the polish going, get her cleaned up and get the wrap on, and yeah, she's gonna be different. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.